Every Sunday, I wake up to this really scary notification, which is my weekly screen time. And every Sunday, I am so afraid to find out how much time I have spent on my phone. But I can't really help it, you know. I have tried my best to limit my exposure to screen and blue light, but I just can't help it. I need my phone for my work. I'm editing on my phone constantly, and also I'm on my laptop for so long. I think I spend like 4 to 6 hours on my laptop every single day. I'm editing, there are Zoom meetings, and it really gets me worried about all of the long-term effects it can have on my skin. So I was reading up about the effects of blue light on skin, and even though it's not as harmful as UV light exposure, which is through direct sunlight, so I found out that the long-term effect of blue light can be spots and hyperpigmentation, fine lines, dryness, you can get dark circles, and I really wanted to try some of the products from Perenne, which is meant for preventing any form of digital aging which can occur due to blue light. And first thing I tried is their Eternal Glow Nectar Dry Oil Serum. I love the texture of it. It helps in distressing the skin and also helps in brightening the complexion, and I loved the texture. It's so dry, it's very fast absorbing and does not make your skin look greasy. And then I also tried their Replenishing Undereye Repair Gel Cream. This has hyaluronic acid, and this also has carotenoids, which really helps in preventing that oxidative stress that occurs due to blue light on your skin. And you can just take a little bit of it and apply it underneath your eyes. And then lastly, I tried their Sun Essential Broad Spectrum SPF 50 with grapefruit extracts and kiwi extracts, and is 72% natural. And when it comes to sunscreen, you do need to apply it even if you are at home. And I know a lot of us are working from home now, and we tend to skip sunscreen and get really lazy with it, but trust me, you need to wear sunscreen every single day.